How to make a video slow motion on iPhone. Step 1. Open iMovie. Step 2. Tap Start New Project and select Movie. Step 3. Tap the video you want to slow down, and then tap Create Movie. Step 4. Tap the video in the editing track. Step 5. If the video is cropped, tap the zoom icon. Step 6. Pinch the video to zoom it out. Step 7. Tap the speed icon. It looks like a car's speedometer. Step 8. Tap and drag the slider toward the turtle icon to slow down the video. The closer the slider is to the turtle, the slower it will be. Step 9. Tap Done. Step 10. Tap the share icon. Step 11. You may see the Export and Share menu. If you do, tap Save or Share Video. If you don't see this screen, simply move on to the next step. Step 12. Scroll down and tap Save Video. Step 13. Wait for the video to export and tap OK.